In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the demand for flexible and remote work solutions is on the rise. As a result, the virtual assistant (VA) industry has experienced significant growth, presenting a lucrative opportunity for individuals looking to start their own business. A virtual assistant provides administrative, creative, or technical support to clients from the comfort of their own workspace. If you're considering launching a virtual assistant business, here are 5 essential steps to get you started on the right track. Identify your niche. Before diving into the virtual assistant world, it's crucial to identify your niche. Determine the specific skills and services you can offer to potential clients. Are you adept at social media management, content writing, graphic design, or administrative tasks? Defining your niche will help you target a specific market and position yourself as an expert in that field. Create a business plan. Just like any other business venture, a solid business plan is essential. Outline your business goals, target audience, pricing structure, and marketing strategies. Establish a clear roadmap detailing how you plan to attract clients, deliver services, and achieve growth. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a blueprint for your virtual assistant business's success. Set up your workspace and tools. A functional workspace and the right tools are crucial for a virtual assistant's productivity and efficiency. Ensure you have a reliable computer, high-speed internet connection, and necessary software for tasks like communication, project management, and time tracking. Organize your workspace to minimize distractions and create an environment conducive to focused work. Build an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients and building credibility. Create a professional website showcasing your services, skills, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms to share valuable content, engage with your target audience, and demonstrate your expertise. Networking in online communities and forums related to your niche can also help you connect with potential clients and other virtual assistants. Market your services. Effective marketing is the key to growing your virtual assistant business. Develop a marketing strategy that includes a mix of online and offline tactics. Consider offering free webinars or workshops related to your niche to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. Utilize content marketing by creating blog posts, videos, or infographics that address common challenges faced by your target audience. Collaborate with other businesses or freelancers to expand your reach and gain referrals. Starting a virtual assistant business requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to delivering high-quality services. By following these 5 steps, you can set a strong foundation for your venture and position yourself for success in the competitive world of virtual assistants. Remember that building a thriving virtual assistant business takes time, persistence, and a continuous effort to adapt to the evolving needs of your clients and the industry. With determination and the right strategies, you can turn your virtual assistant business into a fulfilling and profitable venture.